Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to add my AI on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to add my AI on Snapchat or enable my AI on Snapchat, first open up the Snapchat app on your phone. And at the bottom of the screen guys, you can see there are 5 options. Starting from the left, there is the maps option, and the second one is the text or the messaging option. Tap on there and you will be over here. And if you don't find your my AI on the chat feed, you can just search for it. To do that, at the top left corner of your screen, just beside your Bitmoji icon, you can see there is the small magnifying glass icon or the search icon. Tap on it and search for my AI, and you can see guys, my AI appear at the top of the list. Tap on it and send the message to it guys, and I said just send a message, and you can see guys, my AI has returned on our chat. And this is how to add my AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.